Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Once again, we are back where at your own learning platform, Learn Forward with your Pitara book, English. Let's start with a new chapter. Chapter number 11, use of it. In the last chapter, what we have learned? Uses of a and an. Yes. So let's start. Now today what we'll use? It. 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 Chapter number 11, page number 3131. Yes. What is it? ये क्या है? It is a rat. 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 क्या है ये? Rat. Rat मतलब चूहा. What is it? It is cat. 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 आपको समझ आ रहा है it का कहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है? It. What is it? It is a fan. IT. It. Yes. What is it? IT. It is a top. Top. What is it? It is an apple. अब यहाँ an क्यों लगा? Because of vowel. And IT. It. It generally कहाँ use होता है? Generally it use होता है non-living things. Objects के से आगे कहाँ यूज होता है? नॉन लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स के आगे यानी बिफोर. इट इज एन एप्पल. व्हाट इज इट? इट इज अ बर्ड. अब यहाँ पे एन क्यों नहीं लगा? बिकॉज इट इज कॉन्सोनेंट. यस. एंड इट क्यों लगा? नॉन लिविंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स के आगे लगता है. यस. Next we have exercise. So let us start. What is it? वो पूछ रहे हैं क्या है? It is a top. So let me take pen. You also take pencils in your hand. Top. T-O-P. Top. Next, what it is? It is a cow. Yes, very good. Next we have, what is it? It is a ant. Yes. Very good. What is it? It is a umbrella. Very good. What is it? It is a yummy ice cream. Very good. Write down this both also. So, understood the concept of it? Yes, very good. So we'll meet in next chapter. तब तक के लिए bye bye. Happy learning.